Hey everyone, welcome to Will's Garage. And today we have the C7 ZR1 in. It's going to be a big project. It's currently fully wrapped in paint protection film, but the install's not very good. None of the edges are wrapped, and it's starting to yellow. So we're going to get it done Will's way. We're going to remove all the film that's on it. We're going to re-wrap it with XPEL paint protection film. We're going to get as many edges wrapped as we can, and then we're going to protect it with XPEL premium ceramic coating on all the painted surfaces, the glass, the wheels, the wheel barrels, and even the calipers. Everything's getting protected. So without further ado, let's get to work.
Boy, on a real hesitation creeping in, but you look so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system? My desires are so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in and make me feel. Draw me in and make me feel. Draw me in and make me feel. Make me feel.
Kicking, I stopped slipping, slowly kept the distance in my own world I'm feeling. Zionshit. Looked at me like Dominic Kennedy, that energy so OP. I'm how I'm walking in, authentic, ain't no counterfeit. I don't care about no designer shit. I'm good wherever you see me in. Whatever I'm in, I define the fit. I make the drip, and I stay ready. Always on my toes, no one can hold me, I ain't fetty. Yeah, I'm on my steez, manifesting dreams. Make life feel like you're that verse by your favorite MC. They don't know what we could be. Kobe with that. Finally made a step.
right, guys, it's all done and it looks absolutely insane. Every piece on the exterior is wrapped in XPEL paint protection film and coated in XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Wheels, calipers, glass, everything. And the transformation is unbelievable. If you want your car done like this, you give us a call right here, or you can visit us in person in East Dundee, Illinois. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.